Hey everybody, Blue from Blue Outside here, and today I'm just going to show you how to shave off some time if you're trying to carve a spoon or just remove a large amount of wood without actually having to shave it off and still be able to control your end product of what you're wanting to do. So just stick with me. Alright everybody, so like I said, I'm going to show you how to shave time off your shaving wood, so you don't have to shave the wood to get the end result you want. You can get it a lot quicker and more efficient. So what you'll have to do is get you whatever you want to carve. I'll say just use a spoon for example. So obviously you can carve a spoon out of this. It's going to take you forever. You don't want to do that. So what you do, take your knife, and there's a natural split already in this log that I got. So what we're going to do is we're going to run right along that log or that split, grab your mallet, something you baton with, Okay, now that we got that split, we're going to go to the Bushcraft hardware store where everything is $3.90 free. We're going to get us a piece of coal. We're just going to draw just a rough whatever you want. Okay, so we're going to make a spoon. This isn't a spoon making video, this is actually how to save time carving. So, obviously, if you want to shave all this stuff off, you can do that. It's just going to take you forever. So grab your handy dandy saw. Any kind of saw will work. So what we're going to do is we're going to hold it up like this and we're going to saw down. Okay, so we're going to come to our lines on either side. Close up your saw. Pull out your knife again. What we want to do is we want to go up to about where that is at. Now what will happen is, being as this is already cut off here, it should split just this chunk and leave all this down here. See? Just removed all that and saved all that time. Let's go and do the other side. When we get down to the bottom, we'll just take it right off. Now again, if you want to, go to the back of your project. We've sawed down to there. Let's go ahead and run the blade up to where we think it'll be. I'm going to try to do this reversed. I'm a lefty, and I'm going to try to do this holding it with my right hand and baton with my left hand, just because so you can see it. And that's just how you shave time off without actually shaving the wood. So, and then you can do that, cut this here, cut it, shave more off if you want, baton it again, go down to wherever you want. It's all up to you, but that's just a quick way to remove a lot of material without actually having to sit there and shave it off. So that's all I got for you in this video. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, leave me a comment down below. I try to get back to all my comments. So, appreciate you guys and everything you do for me. Remember, enjoy the outside.